Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see the solutions of question number 6 and 7 of exercise 1.2 of class 8th. Question number 6 is write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. Okay, we have -2 and we have to write the greater number. It means all the greater number are presented in the right of a number. So we have to write all the right numbers. Okay. So how many right numbers we have from -2? Just remember the number line. Okay. -2. After -2 we have the greater number. It's -1. Then 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any number we can write. So all the positive numbers with 0 and -1 are the greater number, then greatest one, then the -2. So we will write any one. As you can see, -1, 0, 3/2. 3/2 is the positive number, so that will be also the greatest one from the -2. 100, 34/5. Okay, only one negative number is here. Okay, -1, 0, 3/2, 100, 34/5, etc. are the greater one from the -2. Now the next question is, question number 7 is, find the 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. Okay. So solution is, we have to identify 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. Simply we can see the denominator of both number, which is 3/5 and 3/4, which is containing denominator as 5 and 4. Both are different to each other. So we will take the LCM of denominator, which is 5 and 4, which will gives us 20. Okay, we will convert the denominator into the same one. Now we have 3/5. We got denominator as 20, so we will convert the 3/5 as in the form which is containing 20 in the denominator. So how our 5 became 20? When we are multiplying by 4. If we are multiplying by 4 in the denominator, same 4 we have to multiply in the numerator, so that we will get 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. Now for the second one also we will do same. Second rational number is 3/4. We have to make its denominator as 20. We have 3/4. So in the table of 4, 20 comes in the 5 time. That's why we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 5. 3 5s are 15. Now our number is changed into 12/20 and 15/20. Simply you can see we have to write 10 rational numbers. Okay, always remember that we have to write 10 rational numbers according to question, but here we got 12/20 and 15/20. We know when we are going to write in between numbers, on that time we have 13/20 and 14/20 only. That's why we will convert these two rational number in the form of greater one. So we can choose any number, okay, which will gives us 10 rational numbers in between these two. So right now we are choosing multiplying both numbers by 10. Okay, so 10 we will multiply in the numerator as well as in the denominator. On the both place we will multiply. Okay, so here we have these kind of things. 12 multiplies by 10 divides by 20 multiplies by 10. We have 15 into 10, 20 into 10. Now we have 12 into 10, 120, 20 into 10, 200, and 15 into 10 is 150, 20 into 10, 200. Now we can easily write any 10 numbers in between 120 upon 200 and 150 upon 200 as here, and we have more number than 10. That's why here we will write etc. are the rational numbers in between given numbers are 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. So here we have completed the exercise 1.2, and we also completed our chapter number 1st of class 8, rational numbers. I hope that you all understood this.